What's up everyone, this is Desiree, your Shopify girl. In today's video, I am going to talk about Shopify facts that you didn't know about. What is Shopify? Shopify is an e-commerce platform that provides the tools and technology for merchants to set up an online store and sell products and services on their own website at physical retail locations and marketplaces. So as you can see here, I've highlighted online store. This is the basic idea of the people when they hear about Shopify. It's an online store, but there's more to the Shopify platform that you need to know. So I've also highlighted products and services, meaning you can sell not only physical products, you can also use the Shopify platform to showcase all your services. For example, bookings, if you're offering subscriptions, something like that, any digital products that you're offering online, you can use the Shopify platform. And also here, website, physical retail locations, and marketplaces. So not only online, you also have the option to sell on your physical store or marketplaces. And I want to talk more about these too. How does it work? This is your online store, Shopify. At the same time, you're selling on brick and mortar or your physical store or marketplaces or the pop-up store. Pop-up stores are like those that are selling in one place for a specific period of time, like for example, for 5 days, and then they're gonna go to a different place again. Those are called pop-up store. Okay, so both these two are physical retail locations, right? It means that if you have the data from these physical retail locations, you have the option to integrate the data to your online store, meaning to say whatever happens here will reflect on the Shopify platform. Okay? All right. So, not only that, so it depends on your plan. You have the option to integrate or manage all your retail locations, different sites. For example, you have different branches. You have the option for the very basic plan of the Shopify. You have the option to integrate maximum of 2 retail locations on your Shopify platform. Once again, if you avail the higher one, you will get more option to add more retail locations. So it's a hassle-free way of managing everything in one place. Okay, let's talk about sales channel. If you're selling on Facebook, Instagram, something like that, or whatever sales channel it is that you're using, you also have the option to manage your sales, your inventory, and all that on the Shopify platform. Okay, so let's talk about Shopify sales channel. These are just some of the sales channels in the App Store. Okay, you can check the Shopify App Store to see everything, but for now, these are the very common. So that's Google channel, Facebook and Instagram, Pinterest, TikTok. So if you're selling on these platforms or sales channels, you have the option to integrate all these apps or channels on your Shopify store and you can see or manage your sales as well. WhatsApp channel, for example, you do have the link shared on your WhatsApp channel. And if they checked out using that link, and it's going to show up on your Shopify platform. This is the same with the SMS marketing. If you promoted your product using the link through SMS marketing, through Spotify, through Shopify inbox as well, then all the data or your sales will reflect on the Shopify platform. Now let's talk about buy button channel. For example, you have website or blogs and you want to add the buy button channel. Once they checked out using the buy button channel, it will reflect on your Shopify store as well. And the handshake for suppliers, this is for the wholesale sellers. Yeah, these are just some of the sales channels. So imagine having the option to see everything in one place. Like you will be able to see, oh, this is what I've sold within the day across all my retail locations and across all my sales channel. This is how many products I've sold. This is the average order value. Okay, so it makes it easier if you can manage everything in one place. Okay, you don't have to separate the inventory, you don't have to separate your tracker for the sales and all that. It just makes everything easy. Okay, so what are the things that you can manage on the Shopify platform? So that's going to be inventory and product management, track net sales, average order value, items per order, sales per staff. If you already have a huge business and you already have your own team and you want to manage your staff through the Shopify platform, this is across all your retail locations or physical store, then you have the option to do that. And then total returns and exchange that you process, not only within the day, it depends on the date range that you are going to select. Customer management features. For example, you have customers from your physical store, like walk-in customers, and if you're going to register them on your physical store, it will also sync and reflect on the Shopify platform. Okay. And staff management, I've already explained this one, that if you already have your own team and if you want to register all your staff on the Shopify platform so you can see their activities. Okay, so how can we make all these things possible? These features that I've just mentioned. This is through the Shopify point of sale, or what we call the Shopify POS. This is an app created by Shopify, and it just makes everything easy for the merchants. Okay, and I can record a separate video for you to know more about Shopify point of sale, but this is the reason why all of those features can be made possible. Okay, there is also what we call the Shopify machine, or the hardware, wherein you can use to scan barcode. But if you don't have that, you can use your iOS device to scan barcode to sync everything on your online store. Okay? Shopify facts that maybe you didn't know about. It is the world's leading multi-channel commerce platform. Shopify merchants sell in over 175 countries. Okay? And Shopify merchants have sold more than $100 billion total sales on Shopify worth of products online or in person. And why am I sharing this one? Just to show you that Shopify is trusted by many. Most of you actually just know Shopify as the online store. But once you've discovered what Shopify can do for your e-commerce business, then definitely you'll gain your trust and you will be soon one of these 175 merchants worldwide. Okay? So that's it in today's video, and I really think that Shopify just keeps on evolving and improving, not only for the merchants, but for the customers as well. So I want to know your thoughts in the comment section, and if you think this video is helpful, give it a thumbs up and follow me for more videos like this. See you in my next video.